38,000, that's the number of children estimated to be working instead of going to school each day. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica made that revelation in a study, which also revealed that most cases of child labor even go unnoticed. TVJ's Kalisha Williams reports.
We see them in the streets, young children. Most times they are selling. Some work on farms and others in different areas of the economy. We're so used to seeing some, the fact that they are working when they should be in school goes unnoticed. At times, they work under dangerous circumstances.
What we have found is that the leading cause is poverty. And from poverty, you have a number of factors that are subdivided under poverty. When you have a single family household and that parent has to be working, the parent is not educated, so in terms of a job that is taking a substantial income into the home, that is absent.
The Ministry of Labour says child labour is increasing in Jamaica. A 2016 study done by the Statistical Institute of Jamaica found more than 38,000 children are working, some as young as 5 years old.
38,000 children, that's a lot, because we're looking at our future. We're talking about our children not going to school to get an education.
One of the challenges, according to the study, is that some Jamaicans are not able to detect child labor.
When you have the information not out there, the general public not being able to identify what child labor is, that is one of the main, those are two of the main challenges that we're having.
So what is the next step? In 2019, the Labour Ministry will be ramping up its efforts to nab persons who continue to exploit children.
Most of what we're doing, we are providing policy support in terms of putting in the structural framework for the management of child labor. So we're looking at a light work and a hazardous work list. We are also, which the light work list is to say what children will be required, what kind of jobs children can do, the hours they can do it, what age they're allowed to do it.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.